I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. But anyway, meron tayong upload videos, updates. O, tingnan nyo guys, kauupo lang ng OIC ng Ombudsman. Ito na po ang tumambado. Matindi ito guys, parang iniisa-isa sila, grabe, ang laki. But syempre, ito, basahin ko sa inyo para kompleto, detalyado, okay? O, ito, tanggapan ng Ingat Yaman, Tarlac, lungsod ng Tarlac, OMGs, sabi po ng bilyonaryo. Nako, kaupo lang po ng Ombudsman, ito na po ang tumambad. O, di ba? Ika nga, OIC, ha? Basahin po natin para kompleto, detalyado. Sabi dito guys ng bilyonaryo, ayan overpriced and missing medicines. 13 Tarlac City officials suspended over 85 million procurement irregularities. OMGs. Aba, dapat lang, ha? Today is August 2, 2025. Yan na nga ang sinasabi natin Alam nyo mga kababayan, dapat talaga imo-monitor talaga itong mga ito. O yung mga LGUs sa buong kapuluan ng bansa. Grabe kasi, yan na nga ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. I'm not saying in general. Talagang mas maraming corrupt sa baba kaysa sa taas mga kababayan. I'm not saying in general. Some are, yan, di ba? The Office of the Ombudsman has ordered the preventive suspension without pay of 13 officials from the city government of Tarlac over alleged procurement anomalies involving more than 85 million worth of medicine during the term of the former Mayor Christy Angeles. OMGs. Sino na naman ito? Agay. Ayan. The suspension order, which is immediately executory and effective for up to 6 months, stems from an administrative complaint filed by the inconvenient Councilor PJ Ikalar Basangan and Emily Rosal Ledera Pakunla, along with former councilors Genaro Mendoza and Vladimir San Pedro Rodriguez. Ayan. Tuloy. It follows a special audit by the Commission on Audit, which is ang COA, which flagged major procurement violation between 2017 and 2018 when Angeles, now a congressman, was still serving as a mayor. Guys, panahon ni Digong, ang isyu kay dating Pangulong Digong 11 billion sa Parmali. Ito naman congressman ng ng Tarlac City. 85 million ba? Grabe, ang tindi nito. Kaya nga tama yung sinasabi ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Mga kababayan 'di ba? Tama nga Tama yung sinabi niya Alam na alam niya. Kaumpisa pa lang nung OIC ng Ombudsman, ayan na. Di tama ang sinabi ng Pangulo. Dabing kurakot ng mga tongres. Agay. Among those suspended are City Treasurer Agnes S. Torres, City Accountability Roland S. Domingo, City Health Officer, agay, Dr. Ma Carmela Laksamana Go, and several members of the Bids and Award Committee, as well as the Inspection and Property Unit. Gay. Tuloy. The COA report found at least 7.9 million in overpriced medicine purchase across 3 transactions in 2017. Another 843,900 worth of drugs was procured outside the Philippines National Formulary in a violation of Departments of Health Regulation and Executive Order number 49. Oh, biro nyo, nagkakaroon pala ng kickback nung time na yon. Panahon ng ano yan ni Digong. Ang galing talaga to mga ang galing nila talaga magnakaw kawawa ang taong bayan sa totoo lang kawawa. Sa totoo lang grabe, sobrang kawawa ang taong bayan. The audit also flagged over 50.8 million in payments for medicine with no proof and delivery or inspection, relying solely on internal certification issued by city official. Patay ka ngayon. Siguradong makulong ka ngayon. Kasalukuyang congressman pala siya. Kaya pala, sabi ko nga mga kababayan, ang dami talagang tumatakbo, no? Sa politika. Sa mga mayors, congressman, kasi ganito laging mayroong kickback. Ayan na. Tuloy, contracts were reportedly awarded to suppliers lacking Food and Drugs Administration license or business permit, including those involved in the City 2018 Angeles Cat Circumcision program. The report further cited 24.6 million worth of unaccounted medicines and supplies due to poor inventory management. Ay, wala na. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, kakaiba ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, itong anomalya pala na ito, matagal na ito. Hindi man lang ginawa ni Martires ng paraan, para mabigyan ng leksyon to mga to or sampahan ng kaso. Pero tingnan nyo, the ombudsman said there was strong evidence to support charge of grave misconduct, serious dishonesty, gross neglect of duty and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. Sigurado matanggal ito sa pagka-congressman. Ayan na. It stressed that the suspension was necessary to prevent evidence tampering and ensure the integrity of the ongoing investigation. The current Tarlac City administration said it would fully cooperate with the Ombudsman probe and reiterated its commitment to transparency and accountability. Ano guys ang kapalagayan nyo? Sabi sa inyo kauupo lang. Ayan na. Matindi ito mga beswa. So yun guys ang pinaka-latest updates ko sa inyo. See you again on my next upload. Bye 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 and babus. God bless Philippines. Abangan po natin ang mga kakasuhan pa. Babu!